On LabAroma, you have full control of updating your profile information. You simply go to Update Your Profile, and this page will give you your personal details. So you have things like your name, age, occupation. The logo is very important. So if you want to select a file, you can put in your logo. If you're a business or an institute and you want your logo to appear in all of your PDFs, which is a wonderful thing to happen, then you update your logo here. The logo will appear here, and it'll also appear on your PDFs. You can also update your credit card details. So if your card has changed or for any reason you want to swap out your payment method, then you update your card details here. You can also upgrade your package. So if you're on a LabAroma Learn package and you want to try a LabAroma Plus package for 3 months, or you want to fully upgrade to the Plus package, you simply click the menu. I'm on a Plus package, so I don't have the option to upgrade. But if you're on a Learn, you could easily upgrade and it'll automatically be deducted from your account. You can change your password at any stage, and you can also add your VAT number. And you simply click Update in order to secure all of the details that you've just updated. As well as updating your profile page, there's a few assistant tools on LabAroma that might be quite useful. Firstly, we have support. If you have any questions, may it be aromatherapy related or technical, you simply click on support, drop us an email, and this will go directly to our support team and we will get back to you with our help and suggestions. In the menu bar then, you have a few other tools. So we have frequently asked questions, which are typical questions that we get often. So maybe your question can be answered in here or on our YouTube channel where you can see our tutorial videos. However, you can also go straight to tutorials, and in here will be populated all of the tutorial videos. In those videos, we cover every feature of LabAroma in a video where you'll walk through how to utilize those features so that your blending experience is the most productive and creative it can be. Then you have the recipe library. The recipe library is a library of our YouTube videos of Colleen blending all of our blends here on this page. You have search by component as well, which is a wonderful search tool. And then you also have the search tool up here. So this search tool will search anything within LabAroma that is therapeutic. For example, if you want to look for a blend for scars, it will give you anywhere within this database where we have mentioned scars, whether it's in an essential oil, in a recipe, or in a video. It will let you know where you can find them. For example, if you want to search for skin, it'll show you that we have made a skin recipe in this tutorial, and then all of these oils, vegetable and essential, mention skin at some level. As you can see, there's a lot. So this search is wonderful for therapeutic searches, and your componentry search is wonderful if you're looking for accurate components.